TikTok, TikTok, TikTok. Who's not talking about it? As a social media platform, TikTok has gained enormous popularity in recent years, especially among younger users. It's known for its short, lip-syncing dance videos, typically set to popular music and sound bites. TikTok can be a powerful marketing tool for businesses of all sizes. Businesses can successfully use the platform to increase awareness, generate leads, and drive sales. There are some strategies that are necessary to market on TikTok. The first and most important is to create high-quality content. Then use hashtags and participate in challenges. These are powerful ways to increase the reach and engagement of your content. Next, collaborate with TikTok creators. Collaboration can take many forms such as sponsored content, product placement, or influencer marketing. Utilize paid advertising including in-feeds, branded hashtags, branded effects. At Evox Marketing and PR, we offer comprehensive TikTok marketing services for businesses of all sizes. Creating, executing, and managing marketing campaigns, paid advertising, influencer partnerships, and other services.